In this video, I will show you how you can compress your videos without losing any quality. You can easily compress 1/4 the size of the original video. So let's jump into the tutorial. Open any browser and search HandBrake. Click on the first link. This is the software. Click on the download button and download the software. Once it's downloaded, open the software. This is the software. You have to install this software. As I have already installed the software, I will open it. Once you will open the software, you will see this interface. Directly you can drop a file or folder here, or you can choose a file from here or a folder from here. Let's choose a file. This is a relaxing music video which is of 1 GB size and the length is 1 hour 5 minutes 19 seconds. Let's compress this video. Now in the summary tab you can select the format MP4 MKV WebM. I will choose MP4, and in the dimension tab you can set the resolutions, and if you want to crop the video you can also do that by clicking on custom and set the size here, but I will leave it to automatic. Now I don't use this filter tab. Let's go to the video tab. Here you can choose the video codec to any of these. I will choose H.264 x264. You can also change the frame rate. You can set it from 5 to 120. I will select 24 frame rate. Now let's move to the quality. In the left there is a lower quality and in the right there is a placebo quality. Means a higher quality. This is a slider. If you move it to the left, the quality of the video will reduce and also the size of the video will reduce. And if you will move to the right, size of the video will increase and also the quality of video will increase. But we need a good quality video with compressed size. So generally the 20 to 23 quality range will be good. For me, 22 quality produces the best result. I don't use this audio, subtitles and chapters tab. And once you set the quality, you can choose the path where you want to save the file. I will save it in the downloads. So I will select this path. Now all the settings is done. Now just you have to click on Start Encode. Here in the summary tab, you can see the progress of the video. In the bottom of the application, you can see the details like percentage of the completion of the video and FPS, average FPS, time remaining and elapsed time. So this is 1 hour video and its file size is 1 GB, so it's going to take some time. The video is compressed and let's see the size of both the video. This is the original video which is of 1 GB size and this is the compressed video. Now let's play both the videos. If you have a sharp eyes, I guess you can see the sharpness in the original video. But still, the compressed video is good. We can see that there is not much difference between the two visuals. The reason to do this is if you want to archive your videos or if you have a slow internet, then you can compress the videos and upload it on YouTube or you can send it to anyone. This is how you can compress video without losing quality. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching.